Welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hey guys, I'm back for another bead haul. This time it is a combination of a charm haul and a bead haul. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I got these charms from Amazon. I'm very pleased with these particular charms that I got from Amazon. And this is like the fourth time I bought these. They sell really well with the particular items that I make. The first one I'm going to show you are these yellow and silver ones. This gives me spring vibes all the way. It's all about the spring vibes, guys. Comes with a heart. Comes with a small perfume bottle. Martini glass. A number 5. Comes with a heart. Comes with a plug. Plug it in, plug it in. Comes with this beautiful elephant. Those of you that love elephants, this would go nicely with one of your bracelets. I love the fact that it says you are beautiful. We need to be reminded that we're beautiful, right? Beautiful heart. Have another heart. And I have a locket, which is really cute. And it comes with ballerina shoes. How cute. Comes with a horse head. How cute. Alright. So this is the first charm sets that I have. Alright. I'm going to quickly move along. And then I'll come back in another video and show you how I make a charm necklace. The next one is these purple charms. I like these. Now, in every set of charms that I purchase, there's always something different. Now you have, in this particular one, you have the bigger perfume bottle. Lock and key. Look at that fancy hat. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm going to really have so much fun with these. This particular one does come with a butterfly. Now the rest of the charms that I purchased, the butterfly was not in those particular packages. So like I said, every package of charms that you get from Amazon will come with something different. Look at that feisty stiletto shoe, or boot, I should say. Stiletto boot. Now, how creative is that? That is a woman in a hat. That is super cute. I am going to enjoy working with these particular charms. Comes with some sunglasses. It comes with a poodle. Comes with a round perfume bottle. Comes with some lips and lipstick. Comes with this cute heart. Even says bougie. And it comes with all kind of different lockets. And here is the stiletto shoe. Oh my goodness. Let's stop while we're ahead. I'm just kidding. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to try to come on here and do a little bit more of tutorials. How to DIY, excuse me. Hey, this is live video. I'm bound to say something that's not correct. All right, now these particular ones, I like the color. Now these are giving me spring vibes all the way through. Okay, not just the yellow ones, but these two. Look at how beautiful and rich that orange is. That is a bronzy, vibrant orange. I can't wait to work with these. It's a heart. This one comes with the elephant. Comes with a martini glass. It comes with a plug. Comes with a tennis shoe. Now I'm going to figure out how I'm going to do these tennis shoes. I have an idea, but haven't thought of it yet. This one comes with a map. This is actually a African map, but it just doesn't have Africa on there. Beautiful ballerina shoes. Queen. We have another martini. I think I might have showed you that one already. And you have the number 5. You have some scissors. You have some high heels here. You have a guitar. And so that is that for these particular charms. Now I have another pair of charms I want to show you real quickly. And these are blue and gold, but they're very, very striking. I love that. And again, you're going to see in this particular charm batch that they do come with all sorts of different items. Look at that shoe. Honey, that is a stiletto boot. Now, the other one I showed you did not have a stiletto boot, but the purple one did. Has love sign, a round perfume bottle, a square perfume bottle. This one has a purse, a smaller purse or evening bag. It says Queen. It comes with a poodle. How cute is that for dog lovers? That's like a Cupid bow and arrow or a heart and arrow. Palm tree. Champagne glass. Comes with this cute little hat. A present or a bow. This is the present and this is the bow. And this is a horseshoe. And this one also comes with a butterfly. Dream. That stiletto heel. Yeah, that's going to be fun to play with too. Now that's it as far as the charms are concerned, but I do want to show you this other purchase that I made off of Amazon. All right. So this last purchase I made, these are bamboo tubes. These you can either make bracelets with or earrings with. You know, you can even put them on a necklace. They do come with stretch strand, and they come with 2 of them. This is 0.8 millimeter. Now, this obviously is too small for me because I need a little bit more strength to any bracelet that I make. So I don't particularly use these, but these would be good. This size would be good for seed beads, really small seed beads, 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, very, very small. And what I like is that they do give you 2. It comes with these beautiful spacer rhinestones. It comes with pearls, little small dainty pearls, and it also comes with these bamboo tubes. I like them. I think this was a good purchase. I can make several bracelets out of these or several pair of earrings out of these, depending on what it is that I want to make, and we'll decide that. What I'm going to do is try to do some how-to videos, some DIYs on here. I'm going to try to do more of that. I'm also going to talk about business and, you know, the things that we should look out for in businesses, how to get started, and different little things like that. But right now I'm just going to do a couple of how-to videos and how I make my items and what's my inspiration and all those things. Well, this has been another great video with a great haul from Amazon. Hopefully you got some creative ideas going on right now. Hopefully those juices are flowing. And until the next video, I wish you nothing but happy beading.